Good morning, traders. It is Wednesday, December 30th, and I just want to review my two trades today, which was FUBO and Chewy. You can see them down here in the bottom right. FUBO worked out great. It was actually two trades, and you can see my entry and exits here on my broker's chart for 849.49, and Chewy was a small loss. So for FUBO, here's my charting software, which is TradingView. I kind of put little green arrows here to show where I entered. In my brokerage, you can see where I entered and exit. So I kind of scaled into this one with an average to bring me around 36.60. And then my first, I kind of sold a portion of that pop here, and then I sold another portion here. This orange line is VWAP. I'm not too sure why my broker's VWAP and my charting VWAP are different, but I use my charting VWAP as price target. As you can see, my broker's VWAP is a little bit more conservative or tighter to the line. So if anybody knows how to change that in Dash Trader Pro to match TradingView, let me know in the comments, but I'm kind of stuck on that one. So yeah, this was great. This pink line here, besides being alerted from the TrueTrader alert system, one of the mods in the chat room, so they do a Zoom call every morning that you can follow along. Set this as the price target right around $38. So this is a screenshot of the alert from the TrueTrader alert system for FUBO right after the open. So this is Pacific time, that's Eastern time, market time, but it's, it matches up. And then I was a little bit more conservative on my take profit, so I did not use this as a profit target. I just stuck to my system. And so I scaled into this position. I took partial here at VWAP, thinking that it could, reach this level soon. But then I held on to a portion and just continued to add, making my average around 36.30. And then kind of waiting that out till it hit VWAP. And then I was dancing around here a little bit, so I'm kind of glad I got out. But hindsight, maybe I should have left a small portion on for this this target. So yeah, truly valuable what I'm getting from TrueTrader. As you can see, I take these great trades off the open and be done for the day. So FUBO was awesome. Now I'm going to review Chewy. To pull up that chart. Chewy was an interesting one, and I'm getting more and more comfortable with shorting positions. I just taken some big hits on shorts because it's kind of hard for me to tell sometimes what's a good stop. I seem to set a stop and always get taken out, and then it just works out in my favor. It just happens all the time with shorts. So for shorts, the strategy I'm using is use the TrueTrader alerts, and then enter at the price target, but maybe enter a little bit late. Wait for a red candle to form so that you have this was the high of day right here, so make a horizontal line. That was the high of day, and I'll set that or slightly above it as my stop, right? It's a really tight stop on these shorts because I don't know where they're going to go. A name like Chewy has a lot of range. It can move 10 points in a day. As you can see, it dropped 10 points a couple days ago. Yeah, so I got stopped out of this one, and eventually it would have worked out. So that's my trade in Chewy. Now, as far as TrueTrader goes, I just want to show you their website really quick so you get an idea of what comes with their services. So if you click the link in the description, there's a link to join them, and you could read more about TrueTrader, what they're all about, everything that they offer. And then the review videos are really great, just to watch a few of them. Mine's in here somewhere. There I am. And then also you get all these elements. So you get a pre-market scanner, you get the chat room, high probability callouts. There's a Zoom call every morning. You get access to all the courses and video content. They have an intraday scanner, which is what I'm using for these market opening moves. And it is really absurdly low price when you consider you get a scanner alone. So if we look at the pricing here, it is $100 a month for 12-month access. So that's, you know, $1,200. You're like, oh my God, that's so much money. But if you get a very good scanner, let's say like Trade Ideas, look at their pricing. You could build your own scanner that would essentially do the same thing as TrueTrader does. So, you know, feel free to learn their system and then build your own scanner. But look how much a scanner costs. I mean, it's going to be in upwards of, I think, more than, so look at annual pricing. $118 a month for monthly. Maybe you save a little bit of money with annual, but then with this you get a community. You get the Zoom calls in the morning, and then you get additional scanners. They have Kim Ann Curtin, who teaches trading psychology. She does I think it's a monthly webinar that's completely free to members, and they have other rooms you could join as well. One interesting thing on this link, if you click, it gives you, since they kind of started their service last year, 2019, in October, you can see the P&L and their win loss rate. And I would have to say that in the beginning, when I started trading, I'm brand new to trading. I started in April 2020. My win loss rate was about break even. It was half and half. But my losers were a little bigger than my winners, so I learned a little bit. There's a little bit of tuition you got to pay with the markets, but realistically, after that much time, let's say just 6 months of time, I'm consistently profitable. You could look back in the video history on my YouTube channel, and you could see how much I've been doing. So let's look at my channel really quick. So these videos, you know, they go back for a few months, and you could see my progress from the $150, $200 a day range. I was really excited to get over that hump, and it just kind of quickly escalated when things really started to click. And now I'm making videos every few days. I'm not taking trades every day. And sure, I have some losing days, which I don't post, but you see the frequency of my really good trades have been great. I mean, this is my all-time high. 1364 is just a week ago, and now I'm seeing regular $800, $600 days. Not to say all my results are typical, but I think that especially if you're new to day trading, you should really check out TrueTrader and give it a chance. So with that, hope you have a great day. Take care.